of CATIA. Suppose first air, then pocket, nature, blue, and so on. So first choose, there are three plane, xy plane, yz plane and zx plane. So first is, suppose this one is pad. So how to create pad? Suppose first select yz plane and then sketch. Select yz plane and then sketch. Create any rectangle or any closed object. Suppose create a rectangle, then exit workbench. This one is exit workbench. Then this is pad. Suppose this is normal pad. If you click here mirror extend, so in limit one direction is 20 millimeter and opposite of limit means limit 2 is also 20 millimeter. So if you increase this one, so increase both direction at a time. Okay, so in mode option there have a mode option. So in mode option, if you uncheck this one, so you can choose limit 2 as per your choice. Okay, so 53 and 36, now is total depth is 53 and 36. Okay, next is suppose thick option. If you want thick option here, suppose this one is preview, so now this one is total solid. If you want thick option here, so now this one is thick. Thick means suppose this one is thickness 1 is inside of the sketch and thickness 2 is the outside of the sketch, then preview. So now this is the thickness 1 and thickness 2. If you increase thickness 2, so this is the outside of the sketch. Clear? Then just OK. So now this one is pad, simple pad. Next, under pad there are many options. Suppose choose, suppose click here, this one is create any circle here. Suppose choose create any circle here and exit workbench and select this one, this face, and select this sketch. Select this sketch and then create one line here. Suppose create one angular line, not straight line. Create one angular line here, then create pad. Then create pad here, which is, then create pad here. Suppose this is the circle, select circle. Now this one is depth in 90 degree, but if you want mirror extend, if you want mode option, then normal to profile, just uncheck normal to profile and select this line. So now follow this circle, follow this line. So that is preview, and in this is the preview option, and you can length also give, this is the direction too. Okay, so now this is the normal to profile uncheck. By default 90 degree is on. If you normal to profile uncheck, then pad will be like this. Next one is, suppose start mechanical design, part design, create another page here. Next one is suppose multipad. Suppose multipad, create one rectangle here, then create another rectangle from here, then create another rectangle from here also, then create another rectangle from here, then create another circle from here. Okay, then exit workbench. Okay, so 4 sketch at a time, 4 closed sketch at a time. Then go to the multipad. Under multipad, suppose select this one. Okay, select this sketch, and there have 4 options because there have 4 sketch. So just choose this one, give dimension, then also choose this one, then give dimension, then choose this one, middle last one, choose dimension, and then give dimension here. So 4 different dimension, middle one mode dimension, then third one is next dimension, then this one, and then this one. So there have a preview option. So now this is the multipad option. This is the multipad option of CATIA. Next one is start mechanical design, part design. Which one is? This one is drafted filtered pad. So first create any pad here. First create any pad here, which is simple pad, which is simple pad here. Then create this surface, then create this surface, and then go to the sketch. Then create another rectangle here, then exit workbench, then drafted filtered pad. This one is drafted filtered pad, and second limit is this one. Okay, second limit is this surface, and pad is this small rectangle. Pad is this small rectangle, and give here dimension. Suppose 20 millimeter. Increase this dimension. Suppose this one is 50. Okay, 50 means this one is preview 50, and now draft lateral radius, first limit radius, and second limit radius. This one first limit, this one is second limit, this one is lateral radius, and this one is total angle. Angle is 5° tilt. Okay, so this one is drafted filtered pad. Okay, this one is drafted filtered pad. Same procedure follow here. Also pocket. Now pocket is dehighlighted because there have a remove material option. So there in page now this one there have a no material. So first create any material, then pocket will be highlighted. First create here one rectangle, then create pad, then suppose pocket. Suppose select this surface and sketch. Select this surface and sketch. Suppose create any rectangle. Create any rectangle, then pocket it. So now this one is pocket automatically. So now this one is pocket. If you want here, if you want thick option, so this one pocket as thick. This one is thick, and this one is another. So this one is preview. So this is the another pocket option with thick. Next, mirror extend also similar as pad. Thick option is there, and normal to profile also same as pad. So now this one is okay. Next one is drafted filtered pad. So suppose first sketch, suppose this one is pocket pad first, then select this one, this plane, and then create one rectangle here, then exit, then pocket already done, then drafted filtered pocket. So drafted filtered pocket, just select this one, and drafted filtered pocket second limit is this one. So now this one is second limit, so create this one as preview option. So now this is the drafted filtered pocket with fillet option. This one is drafted filtered pocket. So just okay. So now this one is drafted filtered pocket. Next one is multi pocket. Multi pocket means suppose first create part design, there have a option suppose this one is suppose 200. So now this one is 200. Select this surface and go to the sketch, fit all in option. Suppose create many closed section just like pad. Okay, then exit workbench. Then this one is multi-pocket. Multi-pocket, similar procedure. Just select this one. This one is smaller one. Then second one. Then third one. This is the preview. Okay, if you smaller depth is much more needed. Next one is needed this one, and then preview. So that is the procedure. Next one is, suppose if you create part design here, suppose choose here YZ plane and then create here spline, then escape it, then create here line, then create also line, then create also line, exit workbench. So in open figure, how to pad it? So go to the pad. Do you want to use the selected sketch anyway? Yes, you must on thick option. So must on thick option. So this one is 20 millimeter. Suppose on mirror extent, and now create this one is, and thickness should be more than 1 millimeter or 1 millimeter as per your choice. Then okay. So now this is the open figure pad, must on thick option. Then how to create new plane? Suppose this one is reference element. Under reference element, this one is reference element, this one is plane. So choose this plane and select this ZX plane. There have a ZX plane. So now ZX plane, create one datum plane. Choose this datum plane and go to the sketch. Choose this datum plane and sketch. Then suppose create here one circle. So first one is, suppose create pad. Suppose this one is pad. So reverse direction. So reverse direction means this one. And if you choose here up to next, so up to next surface will be assigned. So pad will be up to the next surface. Next one is suppose up to last. So last surface will be the visible. And if you choose suppose surface, I'll choose this surface. So now this is the up to that surface. So in pocket also similar this option. Okay. So next one is start mechanical design, part design. There have a shaft option. Shaft means suppose select YZ plane and go to the sketch, create one rectangle here and create one axis here. This one is axis, not create any line, and axis must be passed with the vertical one. Okay. So exit workbench. So exit workbench, this one is shaft. So this one is rotate 360 degree. Rotate 360 degree, and if you give any different angle, maximum angle is 360. If you give some different angle, so that is the first angle. Okay, first angle. If you choose second angle, so this one also second angle as per your choice. Okay, I'll keep it here second angle as 0 degree. So if you choose here thick profile, so this one inner portion is thick. So similar, I'll already told that thickness 1 is inside of the sketch and thickness 2 is the outside of the sketch. Okay, so this one is preview. So that is the thickness 1 and thickness 2. Then okay. Then suppose choose YZ plane here. This one is YZ plane. YZ plane, suppose select one rectangle here and create one rectangle and create one axis. then exit workbench, then groove it. Groove also same, similar as shaft, but this one is remove material. In case of shaft, this one is add material. In case of groove, this one is remove material. Nothing will be changed here. So this one is okay.